You should get a drink, Mickey. Are you okay? Get a drink. You got oatmeal stuck in your throat? You good? You okay?